Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's another day and time for another story. Today we will talk about a very interesting and one of my favorite topic, Shivalingam, and truth associated to it. Let me ask you one question. What is a Shivalingam according to you? I hope you have thought about it till now. But let me tell you my personal experience. As per my personal survey at my home between friends and relatives, 96% of people said it is a male reproductive organ of Lord Shiva. Ram, Ram, Ram. See, this is what invaders have done to our history and mythology. They have completely destroyed it. Many between us believe that Linga means male reproductive organ and Shivalingam is a phallus, the symbol of generative power in nature. But let me tell you one thing. This is an absolute wrong assumption, even by many Hindus, due to their ignorance and lack of understanding of Sanskrit. Over many years of ignorance and misinterpretation done by the invaders, many of us believe that lingam means phallus. But the truth is that in Sanskrit, Dev Bhasha, linga means a mark or a symbol which point to an inference. Thus, Shivalingam is a mark that reminds of omnipotent Lord who is formless. Original Shivalingas were salagrams, which were oval, egg-shaped, representing the shape of the solar system and also the galaxy. The lingam symbolizes both the creative and destructive power of Lord Shiva. Swami Vivekananda described Shivalingam as a symbol of eternal Brahma, citing Atharva Veda. He said, "It is the description of the infinite beginning and endless of the eternal Brahma," and refuted it as an imaginary invention. Swami Sivanand also explains why equating Shivalingam with the phallus is a mistake. According to him, this is not only a serious mistake, but also a grave blunder. That we can see divine in most formless objects and the most detailed sculptures because the divine exists as Nirguna, which is formless, as well as Saguna, which is with form. Shivling consists of three parts, the lowest of which is called the Brahmapita, which creates the universe. The middle one is the Vishnupita, which preserves the creation. And the uppermost on the top is the Shivpita, which destroys or absorbs everything back into itself. So this is what is the literal meaning of a Shivalingam. The naturally formed Shivalingams, which are almost egg-shaped Shivalingams, are still worshipped as a Shivalingas after being placed in a vertically on a mount, which is called as Pitham or Panapattam, across many temples in India. The linga is shaped like an egg and represents the Brahmand or the cosmic egg. It also signifies that the creation is affected by the union of Prakriti and Purusha, the male and the female power of nature. A Shivalingam has a pillar with three marks and a disc beneath it, with a coiling cobra around the pillar, which also has a significances. Danish scientist Niels Bohr has demonstrated in his atomic theory that molecules are made up of atoms which consist of protons, neutrons and electrons, all of which play a vital role in composition of Shivalingam, interestingly. The Shivalinga shape is technical depiction of base energy of universe, by which subatomic particle emerge and forms atoms and the creation or Big Bang happens. That's why The shape of all nuclear reactors across the globe is an exact shape of Shivalinga. The scientists have also observed that at macro level, shape of universe is like a two oval shaped circles crisscrossing each other, that is exactly as Shivalinga. And his Arghya, the Shakti at micro level, the movement of quarks, subatomic particles around nucleus, is also similar to Shivalinga's shape. So from smallest to smallest and biggest to biggest things are of shape of Shivalinga. According to sage Vyasa's descriptions, the author of Mahabharata, he describes Lord Shiva as smaller than the subatomic particle while greater than anything greatest. Amazing. Lord Shiva, he is the cause of vitality. He is timeless. He has no birth, no death. And this Shivalingam refers to the conservation of energy forms. And Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva as the three intrinsic particles of the atom, the smallest part of the living matter. Shivalingam represents the totality of the cosmos, and the cosmos in turn being represented as a cosmic egg. Again, to remind you with, egg is an ellipsoid depicting with no beginning and no end, just like Brahmand, the cosmic egg. I would like to end my video with very basic knowledge, keeping science behind. Shivalingam is not phallus, but it is a symbol of Nirguna, formless form of Shiva, which is a shape of Brahmand, the cosmic egg. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you liked this video and found it interesting and insightful. So from now onwards, it's your duty, if anybody is explaining you or giving you any wrong information about sibling, you're going to correct them. And to your youngers, you're going to give a correct information. So this was everything for today. We'll see you in another video another day. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.